So downstairs, they're having a little bit of a community celebration day to celebrate the opening of the new Bell and Preston stations, and they were giving out these show bags. So we've got a little bit of time before the next train arrives, so let's take a quick look inside. Got a, oh god, I can't even open a bag properly. There we go, unboxing gone wrong. What have we got in here? We got some lovely lollies here, we'll put that over there. We got more lollies, put in there. Have a coffee on us card, there we go. I got a free voucher for a coffee, which is at the public at the Preston Market. There we go, I'll save them for later, because it is cold outside today, so I might need one. So anyway, let's continue having a look around. We got, I've got this blue thing in here. What is this? Cannonleria. It's looks like it's cheese apparently. I don't know what's inside. It pops out. Oh, hang on, it goes out this way. What have we got? Oh my god, it's actually food. Look. A meal. Wow, it's got pastry and cream and I don't know. What's that? Pickles? I don't know. It looks tasty. I'll eat it later. What else have we got in here? We got... Gee, they've really gone all out. I got a free mask, which is very handy. Save him for later. It's nice and reusable. I got looks like some X'trapolis trains or something, which has been folded in half. Bit all over the place, but there we go. It's off to Bayswater. Looks like some colouring in sheets and some information. And there's another box in here as well. So
a few moments later.
Quick little intermission, but it turns out in this white box we have here, we got a water bottle. Wow, I must say, they've actually gone pretty much all out for what was just a small little show bag. There's heaps of things in here. Well, boys and girls, I'm now inside Preston Market. I'm trying to find a place to redeem my coffee voucher, but I haven't quite found it yet.
3 hours later.
Well, it turns out being inside Preston Market is just like driving in Greensborough. You just get lost. I mean, I still haven't found where shop N25 is. I looked at the map and went to where it should be, and it kind of wasn't there, so I have no idea where to go now.
6 hours later.
Good news, everyone. I found it. It was hiding on this corner the entire time. Wow. Time for my free coffee.
A few moments later.
Well, I found it, and it turns out there is a massive line just to go claim the free coffee. So, unfortunately, I got places to be, so I'm not going to really bother now. Boys and girls, I went downstairs again and they had more free stuff. Look, I found Soda Lee. It's a lemon squash and it apparently is 100% natural, which means it must be filled with chemical C. And it has no sugar apparently. Let's try it. It's alright. It just tastes like carbonated lemon juice without the sugar. So pretty much the opposite of what a solo is.